Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Shauna with the Traveling Pedicurist, and I'm delighted to have in my presence today Mr. Paul. He's he is a resident of North Carolina, and he took advantage of our Father's Day promotion. And with that promotion was included a 1-ounce bottle of our antifungal oil. And Mr. Paul was concerned about the health of his feet, and he asked the Traveling Pedicurist how could he get his feet in better shape. And so as of today, we've decided to do a routine regular foot regimen. What are some of the problems that you were having with your feet, Mr. Paul?
Basically, it seemed like my fungus was growing very rapid. Especially my big toes. I could give between 4 to 6 months without any, just without anything. That seemed to get kind of out of control.
Okay.
And basically that's what I'm dealing with at this moment.
Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. This is what the antifungal oil looks like. It's a 1 ounce. And Mr. Paul, you are going to be using your antifungal oil twice a day, right?
That's correct.
And it helps restore the feet, it moisturizes the feet, and it also helps with any current or post-fungal issues. And it's a holistic treatment. Now, I always suggest that you always see your primary care physician or podiatrist because we are not medical officials. But because we do deal with clients that have commonalities, like with your foot concerns, essential oils and holistic measures have always worked for some people, and it's just a matter of consistency. So we are going to use our oil to moisturize and to restore your skin and just to kind of get your feet back into a more healthier state. And we look forward to seeing Mr. Paul on a regular basis. And maintenance is key, right, Mr. Paul?
That is correct.
All right.
That's
so
correct.
I look forward. So we're going to get busy on his feet, and we thank him for participating in our Father's Day promotion. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye. Peace.
Hello, everyone. We are back with Mr. Paul today, and he has such a great experience with his foot care service today for his for his Father's Day promotion, and he just wanted to tell you what his experience was like. How did your pedicure feel, Mr. Paul? This was your very first one, and be honest about it.
It was wonderful. For the speaking Spanish people, muy bien. I have happy feet. I am very, very, very happy. I can't even can't think of an adjective to describe my feet
right
now. They are feeling great. They look great. I'm happy.
And you got your white socks on. Like I told you before, we want to keep our feet nice and dry.
Yes.
And use your antifungal oil at least once a day if you can't remember to do twice.
Yes.
And so we're going to keep our regimen up, and I'll see you in 3 months, right?
That's correct.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Paul. I appreciate you.
Thank you for my happy feet.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye.